Allergies are a common condition that can cause discomfort and disrupt daily life. Whether triggered by pollen, dust mites, pet dander, or certain foods, the symptoms can range from mild to severe. While it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for persistent or severe allergies, several simple remedies can help alleviate symptoms and improve overall well-being. Here are some effective strategies you can incorporate into your routine. 1. Identify and avoid triggers. The first step in managing allergies is to identify and avoid triggers. Keeping a diary of your symptoms and when they occur can help pinpoint specific allergens. Once identified, try to minimize exposure. For example, if you're allergic to pollen, stay indoors on high pollen days, use air conditioning, and keep windows closed. 2. Keep indoor air clean. Improving indoor air quality can significantly reduce allergy symptoms. Use an air purifier with a HEPA filter to trap allergens like dust, pet dander, and mold spores. Regularly vacuum carpets and upholstery with a vacuum cleaner equipped with a HEPA filter. Additionally, wash bed linens in hot water weekly to eliminate dust mites. 3. Nasal irrigation. Nasal irrigation is a simple and effective way to relieve nasal congestion caused by allergies. Using a saline solution, you can flush out allergens and irritants from your nasal passages. You can use a neti pot or a saline spray for this purpose. This method also helps to keep the nasal passages moist, reducing irritation. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids is crucial when dealing with allergies. Staying hydrated helps thin mucus, making it easier for your body to eliminate allergens. Water, herbal teas, and broths are excellent choices. Avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, as they can lead to dehydration. 5. Use cold compresses if you experience itchy or swollen eyes due to allergies. A cold compress can provide quick relief. Soak a clean cloth in cold water, wring it out, and place it over your eyes for 10-15 minutes. This can help reduce inflammation and soothe discomfort. 6. Natural antihistamines. Some natural substances act as antihistamines and can help relieve allergy symptoms. Quercetin, found in foods like onions, apples, and berries, may help stabilize mast cells and prevent the release of histamine. Butterbur is another natural option that has shown promise in reducing allergy symptoms. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. 7. Local honey. Consuming local honey is a popular home remedy for seasonal allergies. The idea is that local honey may contain small amounts of pollen, which can help your body build immunity to local allergens. While scientific evidence is limited, many people find this remedy helpful. Just remember to consume it in moderation. 8. Essential oils. Certain essential oils can help alleviate allergy symptoms. Peppermint oil has natural decongestant properties, while lavender oil can help calm the immune system and reduce inflammation. You can diffuse these oils in your home or dilute them with a carrier oil and apply them to your skin. However, always do a patch test first to check for any allergic reactions. 9. Dietary changes. Making dietary adjustments can also help manage allergies. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods such as fatty fish, leafy greens, and nuts into your diet. These foods can support your immune system and reduce inflammation. Additionally, consider reducing processed foods and sugars, which may contribute to inflammation. Conclusion. While allergies can be bothersome, various simple remedies can help ease symptoms and improve your quality of life. Identifying triggers, keeping your living space clean, and incorporating natural remedies are effective strategies. If symptoms persist or worsen, don't hesitate to seek professional advice for tailored management options. With the right approach, you can find relief and enjoy your daily activities without the burden of allergies.